Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Evernote to N8N. First, about the N8N and start a new workflow in the editor. Now, go to Create Workflow in the top right corner. Then, click on the plus icon to add a first step. In the panel, use the search bar to search for Evernote. If it's not available, then go back and select Trigger manually. To execute the workflow, click the plus icon and search for Email. After that, select the Send Email option. Following that, click Send an email to start. Here, enter the required parameters in the given fields. Open a new tab and search for Evernote. From the search results, visit the first link. Make sure to accept all the cookies before you start. Next, click the Start for Free button in the top right corner. It'll direct you to the best setup you need, so select the plan. You can use a Google account to continue signing into Evernote. Go back, click Create New Credential and add the given details including user, password, and host. Then enter the client's name and save the information. Lastly, add all the required information including operation, subject, emails, and format. Once completed, proceed to execute the step and connect Evernote to N8N. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.